Sahih Al-Bukhari 3862 narrated Qais radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He heard Sayyid bin Zaid bin Amr bin al-Nawfil radiyallahu ta'ala anhu sing in the mosque of Al-Kufa, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I have seen myself tried and forced by Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to leave Islam before Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu himself embarrassed Islam. And if the mountain of Uhud could move from its place for the evil which you people have done to Usman radiallahu ta'ala, then it would have the right to move from its place. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3863 narrated Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu ta'ala, we have been powerful since Umar radiallahu ta'ala embarrassed Islam. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3864 narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, while Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was at home in a state of fear, there came Alas bin while as-Sahami Abu Amr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, wearing an embroidered cloak and shirt having silk hems. He was from the tribe of Bani Sham, who were our allies during the pre-Islamic period of ignorance. Allah said to Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, what is wrong with you? He said, Allah said, nobody will harm you after I have given protection to you. So Allah went out and meet the people streaming in the whole valley. He said, where are you going? They said, we went Ibn al-Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who has embarrassed Islam. Allah said, there is no way for anybody to touch him. So the people retreated. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3865 narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma, when Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu embarrassed Islam, all the disbelieving people gathered around his home and said, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu has embarrassed Islam. At that time, I was still a boy and was on the roof of my house. There came a man wearing a cloak of dibaj, i.e. a kind of silk, and said, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu has embarrassed Islam. Nobody can harm him, for I am his protector. I then saw the people going away from Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu and asked who the man was, and they said, Al-As bin Wail. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.